Montreal, Canada. A city that's bursting with culture, history, and breathtaking sights. If you're planning a trip, here are the top 5 tourist destinations you can't miss. First up, the historic Old Montreal. Lose yourself in its cobblestone streets, stunning architecture, and charming cafes. Next, you must visit Mount Royal Park. Take a hike to the lookout point and be rewarded with a panoramic view of the city. For art enthusiasts, the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts is a must-see. Immerse yourself in its vast collection of art from all around the world. Don't forget to explore the vibrant Plateau Mont-Royal neighborhood. Its colorful houses, trendy boutiques, and bustling atmosphere will captivate you. Lastly, the St. Joseph's Oratory is a sight to behold. This grand basilica boasts beautiful architecture and offers a peaceful retreat. So pack your bags, and get ready to explore these incredible destinations in Montreal.